Fast break now. Ebdane. Yeah! Aba. Miss Quiriola here. Nakuha ni Ebdane. Ebdane on the break. Ebdane skies and finishes. Tinitigan pa. Much needed bucket for Ateneo. We got the hoop junkie. Instant replay. Ebdane here. Lefty lay and the finish. Ateneo mount for PCU. Anaba with 17. And on the other end, ito si Ab in the fourth quarter. And Ebdane as well providing valuable minutes off the bench for the Blue U. Ebdane, open for a second. Ebdane here, mid-range J, goes closer, knocks it down. Sabi niya, masyado atang malayo. Lapit ako onte. Gamber was able to draw one. Anaba earlier. And Ebdane with a nice move. Quick first step para kay Ebdane. Finds Ebdane. Ebdane with a little bit of space. Step back jumper. Yes! Ilista mo na yan para kay Ebdane.